Sunday, March 1st. Here is the Astro Excel chart for the month of March. We start out here moving down to the -10 line into the 3rd. Then we get a nice push up to the +20 line, which takes us to the 7th. Then we've got a downward move into the 11th at the end of the day session where it turns up. And it's going to be running up to between midnight and 8 a.m. on the 15th. Well above the +20 line. Then we get a push back down to the 19th where we start to go flat and just bounce up to about the +5 area to the 21st. And we get a strong push up, and then we're bouncing sideways between the 10 and 25 area all the way to the 26th, where we cross back below the 10 line and then bottom out here on the 27th. A bit below the 0 line, then we're heading up to the 29th and then down to about the 0 line at the end of the month. The monthly pattern is mostly in the bullish area with some strong moves up and down. Looking at the weekly, starting the week out today right at the 0 line and moving down to the -10 line where that bottoms out about 2300 tomorrow night. And then we push up through the day Tuesday, get above 0, then we're pretty much just sideways through Wednesday the 4th. Then on the 5th we're pushing slightly upward but still inside the +10 line. Break through there on the 6th and get into a bullish zone here between the 10 and 22 areas to close the week out. Some key spikes on the blue line. Tonight we have this one here at midnight. Right at midnight here on the coming into the 3rd. 4 a.m. spike here on the 3rd. 1900 on the 3rd. Then on the 4th, a 12 noon spike peak high. A big low spike at 1700. A good high spike at 2300. Not anything really the rest of the day on the 5th. Right at midnight, we've got a big spike low here moving into the 6th. A spike high at 8 a.m. on the 6th. And then 2 a.m. spike on the 7th, which is Saturday after trading's over. So the last important spike would be the 8 a.m. on Friday. So that's a look at the month of March and the week ahead on the Astro Excel.